Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. So today I got sent out to my shop because my wife has the extra bedroom tied up, wrapping up gifts for me. So I got to wrap hers out here in the shop. So I'm starting off here. I got her, these are a couple of things that I got her to kind of fill in. I got her something bigger too. But anyway, she wanted a desktop calendar, one of those blotter style things. And she was complaining this last summer about flies in the kitchen. Yeah, an electronic fly swatter. She's going to be thrilled with this. So I'm going to start off. Let's see. I guess I better start with some wrapping paper. Merry Christmas, ho, ho, ho. And let's see. I'm going to have to measure it somehow. Okay, so I got my 4-foot ruler here. That ought to be big enough. And then I have to cut it. I have to cut this stuff when I get it figured out. Well, first of all, I'm going to wrap this one first because I know that that's the one you all want to see me wrap. So anyway, I think I'll fold that down. Yeah, that'll work better. And then this goes something like that. Then I have to cut it like right here. Okay, so ready for that. Oh, you don't think so? Man, you're no fun. I have to use a scissors? You're kidding me. Okay, so I'll use a scissors. Let's see. So it's going to be about like so. So that's about what I want to do. And what I like to do with this 4-foot ruler, see, is make a nice crease. Oops, not there. Be about like that. Make a nice crease. Get it straight. Make a nice crease so that I got a cut line. And that makes it so much, did you see that? Yeah, I guess you saw that. Okay, and that makes it so much easier. And then you just take it and you cut it and you get it started a little bit. Grab a hold of it so it'll hold steady and get your scissors just right. And it'll just, well, with some scissors, it just kind of glides through. This one doesn't seem to want to do this. Well, I guess I'll have to do it this way. Okay, so we're getting there. Ho, ho, ho. This is so much fun. This is so much fun. All right, cool. Well, there's that. All right, good, 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 good. All right, now let's see. Get that somewhat in the center, fold that down, make it easier. Go like that. Go like, uh-oh. 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 I didn't make that wide enough. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, it's going to work. It's going to work. Okay, and then I need some tape. Oh, my goodness. Painter's tape. Well, I guess. Okay, piece of painter's tape on it. That's going to look good. Well, at least it's going to be on the back anyway, so who really cares, right? She won't care. As long as she's getting a present, she won't care what it looks like. Ho, ho, ho. Anyway, so got to keep this up. Well, I've also got this packing tape. That's going to be a lot better, I think. Got dirt all over it because it stays out here where there's sawdust. Okay, well, here we go. We'll start on this. All right, so then you take this in and you kind of do it in like that. You do it in like that, and you fold it over like that. Ooh, that doesn't leave a lot up there. Better slide that down a little bit. Okay, that's going to be good. Do it like that, and that's going to look kind of funky if I do that. So I'll just make it shorter. I'll take that, and I'll do that. And you come down to this end, and you do basically the same thing. You do that, and you fold this over like that, and you fold that little tab under there so it looks a little neater and cleaner and better than the old packing tape there. and something like that. See, that doesn't look so bad. Okay, you're right. That's got to go. I agree. I agree. That big blue thing in the middle, that's just not right. Except I don't think I can get it off now. What am I going to do? There it goes. Okay, I got it. A little short piece there. Good enough. All right, present wrap. And I didn't bring any tags out here. Man, I guess I'm just going to have to make one. I kind of bent that one coming up. I'll just do this. I'll just make a little tag. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make it out of, I'll just make a little tag out of this. It'll be just fine. And ta-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, and then I'll just tape that to the front of it. And there's my tag, and I'll just write on that and tell you what it says. It's just going to have her name on it from Santa Claus. That'll work, won't it? Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, just like that. It'll be right there like that. Good enough. There's the package. Thanks for watching. Hey, like and subscribe. I need you to subscribe to my channel. So like this video, subscribe it. Watch it 3 or 4 times if you want. In fact, watch it 12 times. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.